Let's introduce ASC4 coils. It is compatible with two IP-rated plugs. One is IP67 plug, the other is IP65 plug. When talking about assembling, if it's IP67 plug, we install this larger protective pad first. And then aligning, the longer slot is aligned with the longer pin. Like this. Set it up. Then tighten the 4 screws. Then, after it is installed, it provides IP67. This is the coil assembly when the protection level is IP67. So let's talk about IP65. We will assemble another kind of plug. IP65 installs this black protective pad. Also, align this longer slot with this longer pin. Then, for this side, the longer slot is aligned with the longer pin. Again, tighten this screw. This is the coil assembly when the corresponding IP65 plug is installed.